mga kalilin, this is Island Ski Vlog, the Bicolanang Oragon. First today mga kalilin, I'm here in the natural fresh grocery. So mga kalilin, if you want to come here, there's a lot of vegetables here, see? And also mga kalilin, they have also fresh fish is over there mga kalilin. That one is a fresh meat. Ayan, that one is all beef. Then that one also fish. Fish. See? Then also they have a fresh chicken over there. Ayan, mga kalilin. Come here and come and check all the items here. It's very cheaper. Okay, and then I'm going to shout out one of my subscriber. This one is Mr. Arjon, the security guard of Aljimi Mall. Thank you so much for supporting me. Mega shout out sa'yo and God bless you. See you later, mga kalilin. Bye! Mga kalilin, my menu for today is I'm going to cook a chicken with mixed fresh tomatoes and bok choy. Ayan, in Tagalog, easy to say is a pichay. Okay, mga kalilin. So, this one is a chicken. We have here this one fresh tomatoes. This one is a ginger. We have here this one is a green chili. Ayan. Then we have this one garlic. And this one is onion. And I'm going to use also this one is a lemongrass. Ayan. And this one mga kalilin is a ground black pepper. Then this one is, ayan, I already told you this one is a bok choy or pechay. Then I'm going to use also this one is salt, cooking oil, ating fresh sauce. Ayan. Then we have soy sauce, of course. I'm going to use the water. Then, of course, this one, I'm gonna mix this one, mga kalilin, so that the taste of my cook will be good and yummy.
Okay.
So mga kalilin, if you want to know how I prepare all of this, just keep on watching. Now mga kalilin, I will put cooking oil. Now mga kalilin, I will put this one. I will saute all of this. This one is a garlic. The onion. Then I will put also the ginger. Ayan. Then I'll put also the fresh tomatoes. Ayan. And then mga kalin, the next is I will put the fresh chicken. Ayan. Then mga kalin, I will mix also this one sa fresh sauce. Then mga kalin, we're going to cover it, the chicken, so we will wait it to become soft. We'll wait 3 minutes mga kalin.
A few moments later.
And next step also mga kalin, I will mix the soy sauce. Soy sauce. Of course, yung ating green chili. And also ang ating lemongrass. Lemongrass. Ito one, I'll put. Then also this one, nam nam. Then the put ground black pepper. So mga kalin, I will mix it. Then I will put also the water. So mga kalin, I will cover it again. We'll wait to boil the water and the chicken. Then after that, I will mix also the pechay. Now mga kalin, na still boiling. So I will taste it if the taste is good or no. So now mga kalin, I will put little salt. Then I will cover it again. Mga kalinlin, I try to speak in English today in my blog because one of my subscriber told me that please Eileen, if you post video next time, speak in English so that we will understand what you are talking in your blog. So mga kalinlin, please don't bash me because I'm not perfect in English, but I try my best so that they will understand what I'm talking while I'm cooking. Okay mga kalinlin. So mga kalinlin, next I will put also the pechay or bok choy. Then I will cover it again. We will wait 2 minutes. Then mga kalinlin, after that, it's ready to serve. So here's the finished product of our today's dish. If you want to try this, just make sure you follow the instruction that I showed you. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification to keep you updated on my latest upload. Thank you so much mga kalinlin. Bye!